Open application will give you option to select your favorite artist out there. I'm just gonna take a few, and as you can see here, so once you have done that, you just tap on the done option there, and you can just tap on start listening. It will just be recommended your favorite artist songs, which you can listen right away. Well, I'm gonna tap on that now to just browse through this application here. So as you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. You have quite a lot of music which you can listen to. Also, as you can see here, top picks are pretty much the artists that you've selected early on in the video. So here you can see a lot of music which you can choose from. You can go at the top and select the music section here. You can go at the top and select the podcast section here as well. And yeah, there's a lot of section where you can also select. So here you have some other podcasts which you can listen, and that's pretty much it for that. So if I tap on the search icon here, I'll be able to search for whatever I want, any musician that I want. That's pretty much on this application here, you'll be able to find. So let's say, for example, Little Baby, you'll be able to find Little Baby on this application here. So as you can see here, Little Baby, and you'll be able to find him. So pretty much this is all of the musician or anyone you tap on, you'll be able to see similar layout like this. May not see the merge option or for some of them, but you can also go ahead and give them a follow. You can play their music. You can see how much plays their song has. You can see here a lot of plays, as you can see, and also you can tap on the more option to see other music that the musician has released. So quite a popular, also a popular release section here as well. So a lot of music for this guy. So for example, if you want to play any music for him, you can just tap on the one that you want, or if you're not seeing the one that you want in this list, you can always go ahead and go at the top and search for what you want. So let's say freestyle, for example. Here I'll be able to find Little Baby freestyle music. So I'll be able to select any one of these here. Just tap on this one, for example. As you can see there, this is pretty much the music. So if I go down here and tap on this, I'll be able to play the music also. We'll just show the cool animation at the back there. So you have different things which can enable this, pretty much the automatically play this song over and over, play this song specifically over and over. This is the shuffle option. Down here you can scroll and pretty much see the lyrics of the song. So nothing much for that there. And at the top here you can tap on the three dots and pretty much add this song to your playlist. If you want to remove ads from this application here, you do have to get their premium subscription. So if I do tap on the premium subscription page, as you can see here, this is the price for their premium subscription. You have the next subscription here. They do give you a free trial for this application here. For this application, they give you a lot of free trial. So do keep that in mind. So let me just go back real quick. So if I do tap on the premium option over here, I'll be able to see their subscription prices, pretty much everything. And most of the times, if it's your first time using the application, they will give you a 3-month, a 1 month, a 2 month, even sometimes a 4-month subscription for completely free for you to just test out the application. So that's really pretty much it for this. And down here you can scroll some more and you'll be able to see all our subscriptions which you can subscribe to. So if you do look down here, you'll be able to see the create option. You can create playlists, you can create other music to come together and so forth. Not really much for that. So the home section, very basic as I said before. This is pretty much where you go. You can go in the podcast section. You can go ahead and give them a follow by tapping on the plus icon there. And yeah, that's really pretty much it. So if I missed anything at all, please comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.